signed by the Secretary of the Sangguniang regarding the ordinance passed by the City of Mayugan, Ordinance number 22, an ordinance establishing a nucleus farm for dairy cows in Mayugan and requesting the technical financial assistance from the Philippine dairy industry and the Dairy Confederation of the Philippines for this purpose. So, the reason why this was referred to the Committee on Ways and Means because of the words included in the ordinance, the requesting the technical financial assistance from the Philippine dairy industry. So, the chair now lays the issue to the floor whether or not the request for technical and financial assistance should be incorporated in the ordinance. Okay, the issue now is open for discussion. Okay, here's the ordinance. Kata ordinance, kita yung letter. Ano letter? Ordinance, okay. An ordinance establishing a nucleus farm for dairy cows in Mayugan and requesting the technical financial assistance from the Philippine dairy industry and the Dairy Confederation of the Philippines for this purpose. So that's why during the previous session, it was reviewed in the communication that ordinance number 22 has wordings incorporated in the ordinance requesting the technical financial. Now, the issue, is it proper that the request for technical and financial assistance should be incorporated in the ordinance? The issue is now ready for discussion. From the members. Yes.
Mr. Chair,
okay.
the stand of the members here is the stand of the
chair.
The chair. We have had a visitor, the two distinguished city councilors of Mayugan, in which that ordinance is coming from their office. We are going to ask them what is really the intention. Because for more enlightenment to the two distinguished gentlemen, my friend, especially he is an attorney, an ordinance is a law. And to request, we cannot consider that a request as a law because we are requesting financial technical assistance to the Philippine dairy industry for their support in your plan to establish a nucleus farm of the dairy cow. So our suggestion here, we cannot amend your ordinance to separate your request in a form of resolution and separate we are not against, but we are very particular that an ordinance is a local law and it should not be it should not be a form of a request because a request is just expressing of feelings and sentiments. Yes. Yes,
Yes. What's your observation?